think now that it's running, it's a little bit empty. Just fill it up and keep an eye on it on the road. It should be good. And this is the second one for this. This is the cabinetry. And then you're gonna see the fun part. Second one for the cabinetry. And this is for the Immigrant. This letter confirms that Mr. Michael Thomas Valentino
Manson
is going back home.
Have a safe trip. Phone, keys.
I lost my gloves at the shop somewhere, and I had these ones in the truck. I can direct traffic with this. Yeah, just left, what, half an hour ago? No, 45 minutes, I think. First stop, fill up, and then we're not gonna stop until we cross the border.
How many hours is that?
About 8, probably, until we're done with the border. And then we're gonna drive for another hour and a half to our destination tonight, and then tomorrow on the road again. And then the day after tomorrow on the road again. Done. We have another 2 hours and a half and we're gonna cross the border. So the Canada trip ends today. The rest of the trip continues tomorrow and the day after till we get to Austin. But it was good. It was a bit cold. It rained a lot. I can't wait to see sun again. A lot of sun, because I haven't seen sun in Montreal. It was good to see the team and the shop, to work with them a little bit. Yeah. You don't know how much you miss it until you do it. And then when I left this morning, shook hands with Rick, like, huh. Now I'm the immigrant, because you're going home. Me, I'm going to the US. So Immigrant is now for you. In 2 hours and a half, Immigrant starts for me. And you're back home.